Good morning, hello and welcome everyone. Myself Sandeep. Today I discuss about the circulatory system, a short teaching demo video for Baiju. Myself Sandeep. Introduction. The circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The circulatory system is a function deliver oxygen and nutrients to cell and take away waste. The heart, the main and original part of our body that pumps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood on different sides. The types of blood vessels include artery, capillary, vein. All are blood vessels that include circulatory system. Circulatory system is amazing highway that travels through their entire body connecting in all your blood cells, body cells. The component of circulatory system, various type of component in circulatory system like heart, blood. This is the main part of circulatory system, heart. Second, blood. This is blood. Then vessels. This is the blood vessels. This is called blood vessels and this is blood vessel wall. And artery. This is artery. This is vein. And what is capillary? The junction point of artery and vein is called capillary. All are the components of blood circulatory system: heart, blood, vessels, artery, vein, capillary. Which gases transported to and form body cells by following circulatory system? The carbon dioxide and oxygen. Oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. This is the blood capillary and this is alveolus. Carbon dioxide and oxygen gases are transported to and form body cells by following circulatory system. The circulatory system carry two types of blood: oxygen rich blood, oxygen poor blood. The organ at the center of the circulatory system pumps around body. This is called heart, the main part or main organ. Transportation. Transportation is the movement of material from one part to another, usually from region of their availability to the region of their use. Storage and elimination transportation occur in all organisms from their microscopic to large animal. It is carried out by circulatory system. In human beings, the system is made up by tubes, a pumping heart, circulatory fluid, blood, lymph. Depending upon the fluid, circulatory is two types: blood vascular system and lymphatic system. Function of blood. Blood is fluid connective tissue. Blood provides body cells with oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Blood transport nutrients and hormone. Blood regulates body temperature. Platelet clot blood and site of injury. Blood bring waste product to the kidney and liver. Red blood cells are the most numerous living cell in blood. White blood cells protect body from pathogen. This is the functions of blood. Thank you. This is my short demo video for Baiju. Thank you.